Acne scars can feel frustrating and long-lasting. Even after breakouts stop, the marks they leave behind can affect your confidence. The good news is that certain chemical peels can help improve the appearance of acne scars. In today's video, I will go over 3 best types of chemical peels for treating your acne scars. Hi, my name is Dr. Rashmi Kapoor, and I'm a board-certified dermatologist and founder of Brooklyn Dermatology in Greenpoint, Brooklyn. Before we get into the best types of chemical peels for acne scars, let me first tell you about why chemical peels work. Chemical peels use specific acids to help exfoliate damaged outer layers of skin and stimulate collagen production. Collagen is a protein that keeps skin firm and smooth. When your body produces more collagen, scars can remodel and look shallower, and skin can appear more even over time. Chemical peels are a popular option for treating acne scars because they are generally more affordable than laser treatments and can produce significant improvement when performed correctly. They work on multiple types of acne scars, including ice pick scars. In addition to improving the scars themselves, chemical peels also enhance overall skin texture, tone, and brightness. Chemical peels can also treat mild active acne and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, or PIH. Now let's get into the top 3 chemical peels for improving acne scars. Chemical peel number 1 is something called a TCA peel. TCA stands for trichloroacetic acid. TCA peels are one of the most effective and widely used treatments for acne scars. TCA works by penetrating deeper into the skin than many other acids. When applied, it creates controlled injury to the upper layers of skin. This triggers the body's natural healing process. As the skin repairs itself, it produces new collagen, and healthier skin replaces damaged tissue underneath. A special and very powerful version of this treatment is called the cross technique, which stands for chemical reconstruction of skin scars. In this method, a high concentration of TCA, often between 50 and 100%, is applied directly into each individual scar using a very fine applicator. The cross technique is very effective for deep ice pick acne scars, which look like narrow holes in the skin. The reason the cross technique works so well is that the strong acid reaches deep into the scar and stimulates collagen from the bottom up. Over time, this helps lift and fill in the depressed scar. Studies show that about 66% of patients see good to excellent improvement with this method, and more than 80% report satisfaction with their results. Recent research has also shown that 50% TCA may work just as well as 80% TCA, while causing fewer side effects, which suggests that lower strengths may offer a safer option with similar benefits. The most important thing to know about these peels is that they should only be done by a trained professional. TCA peels and the cross technique are not over-the-counter treatments. A TCA peel uses medium to high acid concentrations, and this can cause burns or pigmentation changes if done incorrectly. So remember to only get this done with your dermatologist. When it comes to results from TCA peels, most patients need 3 to 4 sessions spaced several weeks apart for the cross technique. Patients will continue to see improvement over time as their collagen builds. Now let's talk about the second type of peel, superficial chemical peels, which are gentler. Examples of this are salicylic acid peels or glycolic acid peels. Salicylic acid and lower concentrations of glycolic acid are gentler types of chemical peels. They are considered superficial depth chemical peels and mainly work on the surface of the skin by removing dead skin cells and improving texture. While they do not penetrate as deeply as TCA, they still stimulate collagen production and can improve mild to moderate acne scars. Glycolic acid peels help smooth rough skin, brighten dull areas, and improve overall tone. In addition to scar improvement, patients often notice that their skin looks more radiant and feels softer. Salicylic acid peels provide similar benefit and are a great option for someone who also has some mild active acne in addition to acne scars. Salicylic acid penetrates oil glands and helps to reduce inflammation and unclog pores, while also improving pigment left over from acne. Both salicylic and glycolic acid carry a lower risk of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation compared to stronger peels. This makes it a safer choice for people with medium to darker skin tones who may be more prone to developing dark spots after any chemical peels. Typically, patients need 4 to 6 chemical peel sessions, spaced about 2 to 4 weeks apart. The results build gradually, and the skin continues to improve with consistent treatments. Now let's talk about the third category of chemical peels for acne scars. This is a category known as combination peels. Combination peels mix several acids together, such as glycolic acid and salicylic acid, or Gesner's and TCA, along with other active ingredients. By combining acids, these treatments target different layers of the skin and multiple concerns at once. Recent studies show that medium-depth combination peels can reduce scar depth by more than 20%. They have also been shown to decrease active acne breakouts by up to 85%. This makes them especially helpful for people who are still experiencing acne while trying to treat scars. In addition, combination peels can improve hydration and reduce excess oil production, which leads to smoother and more balanced skin. Most true combination peels are performed in a professional setting. While some at-home products contain multiple acids, medical-grade versions are stronger and require supervision to reduce the risk of irritation or pigmentation changes. Chemical peels can be combined with treatments like in-office microneedling to further stimulate collagen production. As your skin continues to heal and remodel, results often improve for months after the last session. Overall, when it comes to chemical peels for treating acne scars, it is important to remember that deeper peels usually produce faster, more dramatic results. But these peels do require more downtime and must be done in a professional setting in the right candidate to minimize risks. On the other hand, gentler peels for treating acne scarring require more sessions but have less recovery time. There's also a lower risk of hyperpigmentation, especially in darker skin types, so treatments should always be done or supervised by an experienced professional. The best chemical peel for acne scars depends on your skin type, scar depth, and how much downtime you can tolerate. When chosen carefully and performed properly, chemical peels can be a powerful and effective way to improve acne scars and restore smoother, healthier looking skin. What questions do you have about your skin? Drop them in the comments below, and our team of doctors will try to answer in a future video. Remember to hit like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching.